Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo X60 Pro and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Now let's tap on see all 46 apps, of course in my case, and tap on the three dot icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here we've got a reset up preferences option, so let's tap on it, and here your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, and background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Vivo X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.